Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn the actions for all the letters along with their sounds. Okay? Here we go. So for the letter A, the action is ah, ah, ah. And for the letter B, the action is b, b. For the letter C, the action is k, k. For the letter D, the action is d, d. For letter E, the action is eh, eh. For letter F, the action is f. For the letter G, the action is g, g. For the letter H, the action is h. For the letter I, the action is e, e. For the letter J, the action is j, j. For the letter K, the action is k, k. For the letter L, the action is l, l. For the letter M, the action is mm. For the letter N, the action is mm. For the letter O, the action is o, o. For the letter P, the action is p, p. For the letter R, the action is For the letter S, the action is s. For the letter T, the action is t, t. For the letter U, the action is a. For the letter V, the action is v. For the letter W, the action is w, w. For the letter X, the action is x, x. For the letter Y, the action is y, y. And last, for the letter Z, the action is z. Alright, so keep practicing at home, okay? Bye bye. See you all in the next session.